in today's video I wanted to show you guys my new Shein pick ups, and I'm gonna definitely be styling them to the T for you guys. Shout out to Shein for always working with your girl, always paying your girl bills. This is the first piece. I got this in a medium, and I definitely could have sized down and got a small because this is super stretchy. I love the top. The top is holding the girls in. I don't feel like she's falling, and you can wear this top in a plethora of ways. I can actually take it down here and do it like that. You can also do it like this, darling. What is it giving? Then it would be nice to wear a necklace if I wear it like this, but I like it like this. It kind of gives me a little bit more support. I love the V detailing, and then the best part, honey, if you don't have any backside, this is gonna give you some because it has the scrunch butt going down the bottom. I styled this with some gold accessories. Majority of my accessories, my ring and stuff, are from Shein. My bracelet, these two, this one and this one, is from Jumbo brand. I think it's a black owned brand. This one is from Kate Spade. And then the bag that I would go with is this one, and this is also from Shein. My Lorve glasses, and I didn't put in any earrings. Earrings are from Amazon. Yeah, a little bit of denim. So this is the next two-piece set. I love it. It's giving spring. It's giving pink. It's giving, I'm ready for summer, honey. So majority of my jewelry is from Shein, also old. The bag is from Shein also. My slippers are old and they are from Temu. I got them when we did our collab together. Glasses are from Amazon.
She's a long way from suburban towns. Came to the city for the love, got her hurting now. Oh my, she's alone.
Hi guys, so this is the next fit. The top is new. The top is from Shein. I saw my girl Bronny here on YouTube got a top like this. I think it's the same color or a different color, and I had to have it, but I styled it a little bit different. These green shorts are old. I think they're from last summer, from Shein. And the same bracelet, Jumbo brand. This ring is from Shein. This ring is from Shein. I kept the jewelry very simple. I also kept my glasses very simple. This is from Desi. This is clear. You can wear this during the day, at night, wherever, and you will be just fine. The bag is from Brandon Blackwood, and it has anti-systematic racism on it. Love these bags. They hold everything: wallet, keys, phone, camera, everything. And then I have the same slippers from Temu. What do you guys think? I love the colors.
From suburban towns, long way, really long way. From suburbia, small town love, fall down love. Not let a kid drink too much, think too much. Thoughts drowning me, I'm too.
This is the last fit. I feel like this skirt is giving fall, but I love how this look came out. Both of these are new. I would definitely say size up on this top. This top is a bit tight, and I also got makeup all over it. but that's neither here nor there. I love the material. I love the layers. I love everything about this skirt. The bag is also from Shein. My shoes are from Public Desire. I got them years ago. So yeah, this is the last and final look, and I feel like I saved the best for last. Tell me which look was your favorite.
Please don't cry. Stop doubting me. You don't know love. You just show love. Stop doubting me. Self-love. You don't love himself. Tryna love me. Cuff me. Tell the truth to him. He don't trust me. Self-love. You don't love himself. Tryna love me. Cuff me.
Honey, these pieces are E10, and the way that I style them, 8. 4 plus 4.